Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Polo R-Line Tsi Dsg. This sleek red hatchback with only 27,903 miles on the clock is a true showstopper. With a 1 litre engine, semi-auto transmission and top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity and LED lights, this car is the definition of style and functionality. Not only does this beauty come equipped with luxury trim and multiple airbags for added safety, but it also boasts parking assistance, collision avoidance braking, and a spoiler for that extra touch of flair. Plus, with features like a stop-start system and energy recuperation, you'll save on fuel too. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, been serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website pixel.com for more information today.